Hello friends, welcome to OptionsWIZz, an educational channel, where you will learn how to trade options to generate consistent income. We will continue with our short strangle strategy in banknifty weekly options. Today is Friday, 15th June. To set up a short strangle, we will short 15% delta OTM call and 15% delta OTM put. Here you can see, banknifty 26,900 call and 25,900 put are having delta close to 15%. So we will set up short strangle with these strike prices. With margin calculator, we got the total margin required to set up this trade as Rs 1,32,000. With 8 lakh investment amount we can trade 6 lots, that is 240 shares. Now we will place these orders. Sell 26,900 call at Rs 27. Sell 25,900 put at Rs 40. This is our payoff diagram. If market remains range-bound, our profit potential is 67 points, that is Rs 16,000 this week. If market moves out of this range we will make suitable adjustment. We have marked this range on daily chart for easy understanding. This is our profit zone. Day 4, 20th June. Market is trading well within our range, so prior to expiry day, we shifted our lower strike price from 25,900 to 26,200, to increase our profit potential. Day 5, expiry day. Banknifty is trading within our range. Here you can see, both the options have become worthless, so we will buy them back, and close our position. This week we booked 70 points profit. We invested 7,92,000, and we got 16,800 returns. Our ROI is 2.12% this week. Subscribe this channel to learn more such strategies and adjustments. If you liked this video, click like button, and share with your trader friends. Thanks for watching.